Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library Kernel32.dll error in Windows 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for these links. Now you need to find your system bit. To do this, go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In system type you can able to see your system bit guys. In my case 64-bit. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description. You just need to select the link depends on your system bit. And after opening the link, and you just need to scroll down, select the language and select the download option. After getting download done, you just need to install the downloaded file. After getting installed done, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.